Here I have ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change hotspot name, you can change its security protocol, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can also change its password, you can set up timeout, you can change its maximum amount of allowed connections, you can select VPS connect mode, you can select the normal or whitelist mode. Here you can see connected users, here you can see blocked users, and here you can add users manually to whitelist. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.